Hello everyone, welcome to the batch upload sales order tutorial for your Xoro system. We're going to walk through in this guide how to upload your orders, your sales orders into the system. So these are sales orders that you're going to be selling for your customers. First thing we're going to do is go to the upload sales order module. I'm just going to pull it up using the search menu here. And basically what I'm going to do is follow the steps that are laid out in this module. Excuse me. So we're going to download the template first. We're going to copy the data for the order into the template, and then basically we're going to upload the data into the system, which will create the orders. One thing I do want to mention is the help article that's available to you. So if you click here, and it'll actually show you for each field of the template what kind of data to put in the field, and it'll explain what goes into each field of the template. So that way you have a bit of an idea of what to put in for your data. So let's go ahead. Let's download the template. And I'm just going to show you the blank template, kind of what it looks like. And so this is basically the template that you'll be entering data in for getting your orders into the system. I've already got a template ready with some sample data. So let's try to upload this. And I've actually done one thing incorrectly. I've actually created USD orders, but the customer's Canadian currency. So it's actually going to give me an error. So let's go ahead. Let's try uploading our sample orders. I'm going to click on upload. And you see here, it's actually given me 3 errors. So I'm going to download the file and see what my errors are for my orders. So let's open the file. And we see here on the right, that's actually saying that your customer currency is CAD, but your order currency is USD. So that's not allowed. So let's go ahead. Let's change that in the template. So I'm actually going to make it a USD customer now. And let's go ahead. Let's try to upload the the orders rather. And you can see now the orders have gone through. So 3 orders have been created.